What do you do when you find a random key? No idea what this opens. Now what? Leave it cluttering up my drawer forever or chuck it? But what if... I've got 2 simple tricks for you to stop that ever happening. Number 1 is preventative. Label your keys. You might use key rings designed for labeling like this one, or you can just punch a hole in a bit of card and put it on a ring with the key like this. Or you don't even need a key ring. You can tie a label to keys with string like this. Don't leave any keys lying in a drawer unlabeled. You think you'll remember what they're for, but you won't. Okay, so far so good, but what do you do if you haven't been labeling your keys and you find a random? Well, it depends how brave you are. You can either pop it into your this year tub. Remember, it's what I do with any unidentifiable bits and pieces I find. Here's a quick reminder. You can see these are takeaway tubs, and I've labelled this one last year and this one this year. And throughout the year, whenever I find some random bit of plastic or a loose screw or something, and I don't know what it belongs to, I pop it into this year. And at the end of the year, I dump everything in last year in the bin, and I move everything from this year into last year, and I start again. Because I figure if I haven't needed it in a year, it's not important and I can let it go. Or if that's too risky for you, label it unidentified with today's date. At least then, next time you come across it in your decluttering, you'll have an idea how long it's been since you knew what it was for. And maybe one day you'll be able to get rid of it. Easy, huh? No more random keys. If you like these tips, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you think others would like them, share. Click the link in the info below to get my 7-part video course, The 7 Biggest Clutter Clearing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. Hey, it's completely free, so why not? Leave me a comment and I'll see you in the next video.